So basically I get messaged, DM'd, emailed almost every single day. Where should I get started? Where did you get started? Where did you see the most success? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal Perkins, CEO and founder of Perkins Marketing, and I just wanted to come on here today and make a quick video for those of you who asked me questions about where you should get started when you want to start online marketing. So basically I get messaged, DM'd, emailed almost every single day, people asking me, where should I get started? Where did you get started? Where did you see the most success? There's so many different ways that you guys ask me, but the gist of the question is, which business do you want to get started with first? When you're getting started with online marketing, the first thing to get started with, I would suggest, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing means that you send traffic to someone else's link or someone else's business. Something like Amazon, I use Shopify, and you apply for the affiliate membership on their site, and then you go ahead and you promote them. And if you get people to click on your link and use your link to go ahead and buy something, like say you were to promote a bathing suit for spring break from Fashion Nova or Zaful or anything like that, and when you buy this bathing suit, you promote it and you say, use the link in my bio to buy this swimsuit, and then click the link in your bio, you get paid a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. You're being paid a commission in order to bring in sales or traffic. Affiliate marketing is a great way to go ahead and get started making money online. Another way is Motor Club of America. When you promote Motor Club of America, you get paid an $80 commission per referral. It is very easy to promote and bring in clients every week. I have a set training to show you how to bring people to you instead of going to other people. I never message other people or ask other people, hey, do you want to sign up for this? People always message me and tell me, I want to get started. How do you make money online? I want to get started with you. Definitely want to go ahead and get started with Motor Club of America, and if you already have a membership with Motor Club of America, just go on my site and get my MCA one-on-one course, and then you can go ahead and start making $500 to $2,000 every single week. Paid commission every Friday. Another business that has little to no upfront cost is drop shipping. Drop shipping is something that I always talk about. It is my bread and butter. It is the way that I make the most money. It is the largest part of my income. That is where I make the most money, is from drop shipping and using Facebook ads. That's how I make 6 figures a year, is from drop shipping. Drop shipping is having a product for sale on your site but not having that product in inventory. So let's say I was selling a phone case for $19.99, but my vendor in China has the phone case for 99 cents. Once my customer buys the phone case on my site for $19.99, I then take the 99 cents from that, pay my vendor in China, and then they send the product to my customer for me. This is called drop shipping, and it is the most lucrative thing that I've ever invested in. It's great. I use Facebook ads in order to bring in my sales. I also use Instagram influencers. I have multiple dropshipping businesses. I dropship on Amazon, eBay, and I also use Shopify. So when getting started with your online business, you definitely want to start with Shopify, MCA, or affiliate marketing. Those are the top 3 that have little to no upfront cost. It's going to cost you less than $50 to go ahead and get started with MCA. It's free to get started with affiliate marketing, and also free to get started with drop shipping. Unless you buy a course off of my site, then you have to invest in that course, of course, and then you go ahead and start making your money back. If you're interested in signing up for any of the courses on my site, make sure you go ahead and check out any of the reviews under all of my courses. All of my courses have reviews. All of my courses have multiple student success stories, and you can go ahead and read about the reviews from each client and their name underneath each product. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions about MCA, Amazon, eBay, dropshipping, Shopify, anything like that, make sure you comment below, or go ahead and email me or write me a message on Facebook or Instagram, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you get notified the next time I upload. Bye guys.